In this video, you will learn how to set up an automated strategy based on the Donchian channel on Coinrule. The Donchian channel is a useful indicator for increasing the volatility of an asset and potential breakouts. This is a modified and optimized version published by the TradingView community. Once you apply the script to the chart, you will get the backtesting result based on historical data. The script includes a fee of 0.1% to make the results more realistic. One of the main advantages of this strategy is that it usually has limited downside risk. The trading system does not open trades when the asset is in a steep downward trend. Connecting this strategy to Coinrule is easy. The strategy will execute trades on Ethereum using the USDT wallet. The bot will then trade with the ETH-USDT trading pair. All you need to do is set the rule to trade based on a buy and sell signal from TradingView. Once you click on launch, you'll get the data to copy and paste into the TradingView alert. First, make sure the URL of the webhook is correct. Then, copy and paste the message. You can use this variable so that TradingView will send a buy or sell signal depending on the side of the order the strategy should trade. Now that the alert is set up, you can launch the rule on Coinrule. You have now created an automated trading strategy with the Donchian channel on Coinrule. Trade safely.